All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. How's it going?
Good.
One more week of school left for Nathan and Layla. How do you guys feel about that?
Yes. Good, and yes, one more week for us is 5 days.
5 days. All right, but it's the weekend now, so
We have 7 days.
if you can see, look at Nathan's hair. In today's video, my hair too. In today's video, we are going to take the Harley Davidson and we are going to Great Clips to get Nathan's haircut and my haircut. We're going to do like a time lapse on his haircut. He's got a new style he wants to show you guys. After we're done with that, we're going to take his new fishing pole, his new micro reel that he just bought right here. It's called the Doc Demon Deluxe. Just got it. It's an open face. The reason why we have all these poles right here, guys, is because we're gonna have Liv's first birthday party, and it's gonna be a fishing birthday party. So all the kids are gonna go to the lake and catch fish for the birthday party, play in the playground and roller skate or do whatever. So it's gonna be fun. But we're gonna take this fishing pole on the Harley Davidson. When we go get the haircut, put it in the Ridge backpack. If you guys check out theridge.com/loverboy for 10% off your entire order, and check all their products out on the website. The link is in the description. We're gonna use this backpack right here, put the pole in there, and we're gonna go try to catch a fish with this new pole. And Nathan wants to try this new bait, and there it is, corn, guys. I told him there's no way he's gonna catch anything with this, because you know you have brim, and he usually uses bread. But he said that he can use corn, but I don't think he can. Anyways, you guys think he's gonna catch anything? We will find out. Maybe we'll go to Salon. Look at him fitting it in the backpack. Right there, he's got his little compartments that he uses for this. This backpack's cool, by the way, guys. We'll take the fishing pole and the corn and try to go to a location with the Harley Davidson and try to catch a fish for you guys. So that's gonna be the video for the day. We have the GoPro Hero 7 Black mounted on the helmet. Nathan's going to be getting some good footage riding on the hog. And the hog, by the way, stands for Harley Davidson. And it is the 2018 Harley Davidson Fat Bob 114 cubic inch, 1,867 cc's. So that's like a 1.87 liter engine. He's got the pole inside the backpack. He's got the corn inside the backpack. He's going to be on the back of the Harley. We're going to go get the haircut, and then we are going to go try to catch you guys a fish. Bye, Layla. We'll be back in a minute.
Bye.
Oh, yeah, guys. While he's getting the water ready, I told you that we have the GoPro Hero 7 Black right there mounted on Nathan's helmet. He's going to be right on the back of the Harley. But on my helmet, I have the Sena C10 Pro. This is like a comm system, but it has a 1080p resolution video camera mounted onto it as well. So we're going to be showing you guys the difference of this camera versus this camera. So it's going to be kind of cool, and you guys can see the quality of the GoPro Hero 7 Black compared to the Sena,
The John Cena
10C Pro. Of course, you know that has video stabilization. Supposedly that has video stabilization, but you guys could definitely see the difference between those two cameras. So that's going to be kind of cool. All right, guys. There it is. The Harley Davidson Fat Bob 114 cubic inch. I got the phone mount right there. It's blue, but I'm going to paint it. I got it on sale at Cycle Gear. And this thing's fun to ride. It has the S&S slip-ons. It has the... What's cool about this one, it has the inverted dual front forks, and it has dual front brakes on it. Look at that LED headlight right there, guys. So we're gonna go ride this thing to Great Clips, and then we are going to go try to see if we can catch a fish with this new pole that we got for Nathan, the Doc Demon Deluxe. All right, guys, stay tuned. It's gonna be a good video. There's Nathan right there. He's got his fishing pole on his back. He's got his GoPro Hero 7 Black ready. You got the water in the backpack, the Ridge backpack right there. And, all right, this is going to be fun, guys. There's Bubby right there. He's like, hey, talk to you guys later. You guys weren't even going to say bye to me, were you? All right, guys, so this is the Sena 10C Pro, and now we're going to turn on the GoPro Hero 7 Black.
Which one's that?
How's it look? Which one do you guys think's better? Now let's go ride to get Nathan's haircut. You ready, buddy?
Yep. I'm saying the GoPro's better anyway.
Yeah. Okay, let's crank this beast up. This is how you start this bike. It has a fob key. You just turn this on, and then it turns the power on. This bike has 8 analog brakes. You can see right there. But the key's in my pocket, so you don't have to put the key in to start it. You just have to have the key around. And then you press this button right here. Go ahead, press that button. All right. All right, you got to remember, guys, you got to put the kickstand up right there. See? Put the kickstand up. There it is. Oh, this is a 6-speed, guys. 6-speed transmission, 1 down, 5 up. All right, let's go get our haircut. Okay guys, this thing has turning signals, and after you make the turn, it turns them off automatically. That's pretty cool. All right guys, so you saw the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Now this is the Sena C10 Pro. There's Salem Lake right there. You want to go fishing over there to catch the fish, or you want to go somewhere else?
I want to try to find like a good spot, and if we can, we'll just go
we are in Gray Clips. We are going to get our hairs cut. How do you say that? Get our haircuts. Yeah. There's the bike parked outside. You got the #1 parking spot. And there's the helmets right there. And I have to set up the time lapse somehow. So I haven't done that with the GoPro Hero 7 Black yet, but we'll figure it out. Let's do it. Alright guys, we got our haircuts, and I got my haircut. Nathan got his haircut at Gray Clips right there. It took like an hour. We're ready to go ride once again on the Harley Davidson to see if we can catch a fish. And did you figure out where we're gonna go to catch one? We want to just go to Salem real quick? Let's just go to that one stream where Drew caught that bass. Alright guys, so we put the helmet back on. You don't think that messed your hair up, did it? You want to be looking good for all the ladies now when we're fishing over there, if there's any ladies or whatever over there. So, how do you like the Harley Davidson riding on the back of it?
It's pretty nice, but I want a back seat.
A backrest, you mean? I ordered a sissy bar for this, guys. It's gonna hook onto these two bolts right there and rest up the side so he can lean back. It's gonna be real relaxing for all the passengers on the bike. Alright guys, we made it to the fishing spot in one piece, and we are now going to see if we can catch a fish with this new rod. There it is right there, guys. the Dot Demon Deluxe, but the only problem is we forgot to get a bobber. And we don't have a weight, so I don't know how this is gonna work.
We can catch some.
He says we can. Let's try it. We're gonna do it for you guys. Look at Nathan's haircut. There it is, nice. It's a little bit messed up now because he had the helmet on, but it still looks good. Thanks, Great Clips, for doing such a great job. Thank you guys so much. We are at 320,000 subscribers. Thanks for all the support. And all right, let's see if we can catch. Let's see if we can catch a fish, guys. We're gonna follow Nathan. You want to just take it off the backpack, Nathan? We're gonna try to hike down here, I guess. Where are we going, man? You want to try to hike down there, or you want to try to hike somewhere else? Dude, watch out for snakes big time down there.
But that rock seems cool.
Dude, that's a ditch, man. That's a straight drop. Look at all the erosion right there, guys. It'd be better if we went to the other side.
No.
All right. We're gonna walk to the other side. You want to walk to the other side, or just do it here? All right, here we go.
We can, but it will be hard to get back up.
All right. Yeah.
Maybe walk down here. This isn't that far. Yeah,
You want to try it? Let's look down and see. It's like really a bunch of loose sticks and stuff. Try to get down there. Look at the hog, guys. There it is. All right, we're gonna leave you, Fat Bob Girl. I don't like the name because it's a Harley Davidson. I like to name my bikes a girl, and Fat Bob, it's like kind of like a hairy kind of girl or whatever. So, all right, we're gonna try to hike all the way down here, guys. Wish us luck. It looks like a good spot, and let's do it.
Yep, let's go.
Lead the way, Nate Dogg. We're gonna slide. How are we gonna get up? That's the thing. And that tree right there, you better watch out that it doesn't fall on you. That one that's collapsed, that's in half. We need to get a rope. Dude, try to get up, go down and try to get back up from right there. And if not, I'm gonna help you up. But try, go down further. And push on that tree real quick. That one behind you. Just push on it, see if it's gonna fall over. Stay back, don't go be under it. All right. All right, try to climb back up. If you can make it, then we'll go all the way down. Wow, he did it, guys. All right. I can do it. If you could do it, I could do it, I think. All right, here I go. Oh, man.
Dad, can I hold the camera?
Hold
the camera and then I'll pass.
Here, hold the camera. Whoa.
It doesn't look that steep on camera, Dad, guys. It's really steep. Tell him, Dad.
All right, pass me the camera. Throw it to me. Just throw it to me. All right, here comes Nate Dogg. All right, let's go. I'm gonna go around this way. He's taking the hard way, guys. He's trying to catch the fish that's hard to catch down here on some corn. You know, watch out, it's slick. Slippery. Oh, it's slippery? Well. All right, we made it. Oh yeah, man. You're not gonna be able to cast it that far because you don't have a weight. You don't have a bobber or weight or anything. All right, wish us luck, guys.
The bait, Dad. Okay. How many pieces do you want me to put on?
I'll just put like 2 pieces on.
I'm just gonna put one on first.
Oh no. Putting the corn on. Here it goes. All right, you think that's gonna work? How are you gonna get it out there with no weight, Nathan?
I'll tell you.
All right, let's see. He says he can. Let's see. You're gonna have to get it. You're gonna have to get it in the rapids. You gotta open it up, man. There you go. Oh, dude, he got one right off the bat. Wow, look at that. What a catch, Nathan.
Demon.
Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that first cast. First
You
cast.
thought I couldn't catch it?
Nice. What a hook. Take it off, buddy.
Okay.
Nice. I'll hold your pole. I'll hold your
That's
pole.
the problem. What if we
Dude,
take it off?
that thing ate that better than anything.
I dropped it.
Wow. That's a pretty fish, too. Look at the blue on that, guys. He hooked the heck out of that thing, too. Let's look at that thing. Look at the wide mouth on that.
Look at those.
Oh, it's trying to get away. It wants back in the water.
Okay, guys. Look at the.
Look at the colors on that.
Look at the blue.
Wow. Hold still for a second. Wow.
That's so cool. Okay, let's go.
All right, let's see. Let's let it go now. Let it go in this little pool right here.
That's what I'm doing.
Let's watch it swim around. There it goes, guys. Look at it. There it is. It's like, man, I don't like being in here. Look at it, it's trapped. He's like, oh no. Look at him swim out. Oh, he's coming back. That's cool. No, don't do it again. Let's see if you can catch another one. All right, guys, first cast. That was awesome, Nate Dogg.
So, that was
Good job.
On my new pool that I got.
On the new pool, first cast with no bobber or anything, with some corn.
I told you, you don't
Nathan's smart, guys. He knew. Corn's a good bait. There it goes again, guys. He got another one. Dude, a bug just flew in my eye. That is crazy. Look at this, guys. He got another one, second cast.
Pretty one.
Second cast. Here, let me hold the pole and you get it off.
The new pole, guys.
Look at that, the Dock Demon, guys. The Dock Demon.
Here, guys. When you cast this thing out and I catch some of these, that pole barely bends. That's how strong that pole is.
Man, I want you to catch a big fish, though. If you can get out further, I bet there's some big fish out there.
Big brim, yeah.
Yeah. Dude, if you put a micro hook on and hook one of these, come on, you gotta wiggle it back and forth. Wiggle it back and forth. There you go. You got it. Good job. You want to put it in the pool? In the savings pool?
Yeah, I'm going this side.
Just throw it in. There it goes. Oh, that thing swam all the way over there.
Couldn't get out.
Put your hand behind the hook and show them how big the hook is. That way. And the corn. There it is, guys.
Pretty good.
Hold on. Hold still.
It's like a 6.
Look at it.
Not a 6. Yeah, 6.
Yeah, it is a 6. It is a 6. 2 for 2, guys. 2 for 2 with the new Dock Demon Deluxe and corn and the number 6 hook. He's going to put 2 pieces of corn on there now. Want to get 2 other pieces maybe?
No. I want to see if I can catch something on that.
All right, let's see what he's got. Let me go down here with you this time. Yeah. Cast in the rapids. Let's go walk out here real quick, guys, and cast in those rapids right there.
Yeah, look at this.
What is it?
A clam.
A clam? Nice. Oh, that's alive too, guys. Look at that.
Can we eat it?
That's cool. Let's put it in the water. That way it can live. All right, see what you got. Look at that. In the rapids, let it float, let it float. That's how you catch trout right there, guys. So nothing's eating it.
Yeah, because this is...
Put it over here, buddy. Over here. Like over here on this side. Nice. Nothing. Maybe they saw us.
Got it,
All right, guys. I'm going to chum the water real quick. I'm going to chum the water with some corn. Watch. There it is. Let's see what happens. Let's get him biting on that stuff. I don't see any fish eating him. There he goes. He put one in. All right, he's going to climb over here, guys, and see if we can fish under the bridge and get something.
Did you get my backpack? No, we don't.
I got the bait. Let's go over here with the Dock Demon.
Ready, man?
All right, ready. Did it go out? There you go. Right there. Let it float. All right. There's a river. Looks like I'm standing on a tree right here, guys. And looks like all the water like runs right down there. Here's some more bait. Looks like all the water runs down there and goes down here and washes everything out. I'm standing on this tree right now balancing, so it's pretty sturdy. Here you go. All right, let's see what you got. If you don't catch nothing on this, let's climb the hill and try to go. It's not casting right. Oh, it tangled up. Uh-oh, it tangled up. Hold on, guys, look. It tangled all up. All right, we'll fix it. All right, guys, so there was like a big tangle out of that thing. I don't know what happened, but we fixed it. I rehooked it, and here we go. Let's go for a cast over here in these rapids right here. If not, we'll try on the top where the pump station is and see if we can catch something up there. The lid on that thing. There you go. Good cast. There you go. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Nothing. I'm still balancing on this tree. I haven't fell yet, so that's good.
This water's like
too shallow?
No, too harsh.
Too harsh?
Let's go somewhere else.
All right, they're not hitting. I see the corn that we threw in there also, and they're not eating it. All right, let's climb out of here. Put the backpack on. Put the pole in the backpack.
No, I'm gonna hold the pole.
You sure? Here, I'll put it in.
But there's a water bottle in there.
There is? Yeah. Ooh, I need water. Here, get some water. There you go. Open it up. Spray. Oh, man, don't put your mouth on it. You don't need to put your mouth on this.
Come on, Dad.
Watch. All right. Let's see if you can do that. Spray it in your mouth without touching it. And drink at the same time. Drink. No. Can't close your mouth. Just drink. Go. Oh, you...
Wait.
Come on. Go. Squeeze. Go. Drink. All right, let's do it. Put the water back in so we have some water for later, for emergencies. Put the backpack back on. That's the Ridge backpack. Very good quality backpack, guys. If you want a good quality backpack, check them out at theridge.com, like I said before. And, all right, Nate, I'm following you. Lead the way, dog.
Oh, what is that? Is that like a little mushroom?
I don't know. That's cool.
It's a little bit slippery right now.
All right, be careful. Woo! Made it. All right, guys. They didn't steal the hog yet. It's still there. And let's go over here to the pump station.
Guys, this is the scary part.
Okay, here we go.
Will this ever break?
It's pretty tough. It will take a long time, years. Here we go, guys. The pump station. This is like literally, I would say, what, 15 feet up? It's really high up.
20-something feet up. Look at that fish right there.
There's a fish right there, guys.
Don't drop your phone.
What is that? That's a bass.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. It's a bass. I could see the tail on it.
Dad, if you drop your phone, would you let me go down there and get it?
Yeah, definitely. All right, good luck, Nate Dog. We should have brought one of those lures, man. One of those new lures. All right, here we go. Oh, there's an ant. Look at that ant, guys. What kind of ant is that?
Will that sting us?
Yeah, look at that ant. It's a big ant. All right, you got the corn already on there? Smart move. All right, I'll pull the line out. There you go.
How are we going to do this?
You got to open the face to cast, man.
I know. But
there it goes. There it goes. Just let it float.
what if they get caught?
It's fine. Throw it out a little bit further next time. Reel it up. Throw it out there in the shallow water, not in the calmer water. Try to cast it way out.
Can I just cast it right down there?
It's gonna, yeah, try. He got one, guys. Yes. Another sunfish, guys. Cool. Good job.
Whoa.
Yeah, don't fall off. Here, I'll hold the pole. You get it out.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, there's a room back here. It's an old pump house. There's water straight down there.
Does that hurt it when I drop it?
No, just drop it straight down. Let me see the fish first, sideways. Look at how blue the side of the face is, guys, on this fish. Now that hurts when you do that on the concrete.
It's hard to hold these things are slimy. Guys.
All right.
I'm sorry.
Watch out. Let me hold it sideways so I can. Nathan.
This fish. It's so slimery.
All right. Let me see the side of its head. Hold it up. Look at the blue stripes by its mouth and under its eye. All right. Good job. See you, buddy.
Ow.
All right. Well, Doc Demon. What do you rate the Doc Demon so far?
9.
Because the other Doc Demon you have isn't an open face. It's just a press, like a thumb press.
It's pretty good, but it's like, this one's like probably 3 times.
All right. If you had a bobber, it would be better. There you go. There you go.
That's pretty good.
That's real good.
I just gotta bite that thing.
I can't see it.
Oh, I just had a bite.
You just brought it into the rapids now. Now it's going to take off.
Might take the carp. Yeah, you think there's a carp in this whole thing?
I don't know. All right, guys. I put 3 pieces of corn on this thing. Look. 3 pieces of corn so we can get it further out there. We're going to try to get it right over there. Just cast it overhand, like right to the rocks. There you go. Now reel it in. It's over there, guys. Perfect spot. It's not really where I wanted it. I wanted it like over there by that branch. But that's better than nothing. Just leave it right there. Let it go to the bottom. Come on, one more fish, guys. Reel it up a little bit, Nate Dogg. Get it out of the rocks. Yeah, right there. There you go, right there. Let it go. Oh, I see them. They're looking at it for real. They're on the bank. There you go. Leave it right there. Come on, fishy. They're afraid to go out in the rough water because there's bigger fish out there. They're looking at it. I'm watching them. All they got to do is taste it.
Oh, they just did it.
There's like 20 fish right around it. They're small though, but no, dude, you yanked it out of their lair. He yanked it right out of the lair, guys. The lair. Oh, that's scary, guys. What if I fell down there? Hey, you guys like my new shoes? Vans. And I didn't plan on getting them muddy. I gotta clean them when I get home. Look at my new shoes, guys. Oh, guys, check out It's About Socks. It'sAboutSocks.com. They got all kind of socks. Check them out. It'sAboutSocks.com. They have like bamboo socks, any kind of socks you want. I think they have really good deals there. If you want custom socks, they'll do it. Check them out. It'sAboutSocks.com. I'm wearing them right there. They sent me these USA socks. I like them a lot. Check them out, guys. It'sAboutSocks.com. And yeah, look at my new shoes, guys.
Yeah,
There they are.
Take off some corn because these fish in here are like brim.
Yeah?
Are like not big, and then the bigger fish are like for like not corn fish. Let's see if they eat it.
Anyways, we caught 4 fish. So, oh yeah, guys, we're doing a new series on the gaming channel. StellarPrime Gaming, check it out. Rage 2, the whole series, we're doing the whole game in the Dad and Addy show, so check it out. Rage 2, Dad and Addy show, we're going to be releasing series or episode 2 very soon. So we did episode 1 already, and we're going to release episode 2, and then we're going to play the whole game through so you guys can see it. Check it out on StellarPrime Gaming. Alright, let's see if Nathan can get one. I know there's a bass down there. Come on, Nate Dogg. It's like in the rocks. He needed a bobber, guys. Oh, there's a fish. There's a fish right there. Bring it up just a little bit. Okay, there you go. There you go. It's crazy. Like those fish, I think they're smart. Put it right there where that. Yeah. There you go. Right there. Good shot. Look at the concentration on them, guys. Look at that. Look at the craftsmanship of the reeling up. The corn. Look at the haircut, guys. Check it out. Check the haircut out. Check the haircut out.
Just let it sink to the
Good
bottom.
job at brake hook. Oh no, lightning, guys. All right, we're gonna get on the hog and ride. We gotta get out of here now. Come on, Nate.
You're right. They're like all eating it down there. See?
We gotta go. It's gonna rain on us, dude. We gotta ride. It's lightning. We gotta go. We gotta get on the motorcycle and ride out, guys. Lead the way. We gotta roll, guys. Testing out the video stabilization on the Pixel 3 XL. All right, there we go. All right, guys, we're gonna ride. Let's do it. Oh yeah.